Introduction. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift Sport is here, bringing a perfect mix of sporty design, powerful performance, and modern tech. This hatchback is built for thrill seekers who want an exciting ride without breaking the bank. With its aggressive styling and a punchy engine, the Swift Sport is ready to impress. Front. The Swift Sport's front looks sharper than ever with a bold honeycomb grille, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular bumper. The sporty red accents and blacked-out elements add to its aggressive appeal. Exterior design. The 2025 Swift Sport gets wider fenders, side skirts, and 17-inch alloy wheels for a dynamic stance. The sloping roofline, dual-tone paint options, and a sporty rear spoiler make it stand out. Dual exhaust tips and a diffuser at the back enhance its race-inspired look, making it a true hot hatch. Interior design. Inside, the Swift Sport feels premium yet sporty with red stitching, carbon fiber-like trims, and bucket-style seats. A 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and digital instrumentation give it a modern touch. The sporty pedals and ambient lighting add to the energetic cabin atmosphere. Market position and price. The 2025 Swift Sport sits in the performance hatchback segment, competing with models like the Hyundai i20N line and Volkswagen Polo GTI. It offers an exciting driving experience while remaining budget-friendly. Expected to be priced between Rupee 10 to 12 lakh in India, it balances affordability with fun. Maruti Suzuki aims to attract young buyers who want an exciting yet practical car. With improved safety features, advanced tech, and a thrilling drive, the Swift Sport is set to make waves in the market. Performance. Under the hood, the Swift Sport packs a 1.4L Boosterjet turbocharged engine producing around 140 HP and 230 Nm torque. A 6-speed manual or automatic transmission ensures a spirited drive. Weighing under a ton, its power-to-weight ratio delivers quick acceleration, responsive handling, and a thrilling experience on twisty roads. Thanks for watching. More updates. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, comments, and press bell icon.